Hello, this is Carissa Hope presenting my final project for Reading 114. We were given lots of options as to what to do for our final project for reading, and I decided to do mine on a mind map. This mind map was something that I started back when we first began reading The Island of Dr. Moreau, because mind maps are really helpful when you're reading a complex piece of literature. Mind maps, as you can see, can help you show where there are connections between characters and ideas, but it can also help you with character analysis and character development. As you can see, the very center of the mind map starts with a shipwreck, because all of this happens because of a shipwreck. The Lady Vain, which is the name of the ship, connects to Prednik, who is our narrator. And Prednik is telling his story of how he wrecked in the Lady Vain, and he got stuck in a dinghy with other guys, and he hitched a ride on Montgomery's ship, and you can see that he is connected to Montgomery because of the ship, the Ipacuna. Prednik, some about his character is that he's educated in science, and he's suspicious of Montgomery and Dr. Moreau from the beginning. If we follow the line, we can see he's connected to the character Montgomery. Montgomery is mysterious, and we also find out that he's Moreau's assistant. He helps with the experiments. Little is known about his past other than the fact that he's from London. We can follow the line and go down to Dr. Moreau's character. I have these specific words in bold because they're key points or main characters. When we follow the line down to Dr. Moreau, we can see that he's connected to his character analysis, but he's also connected to some of the key points in the book. Dr. Moreau owns the island, and he uses it for experimentations. He's a little odd, which is why Prednik is probably suspicious of him. He doesn't come in at the beginning of the book. He comes in about halfway through. But once he finds out that Prednik is educated in science, he sees him as an ally. We follow the line up to the island, and we see that it connects to experiments on animals and experiments on humans. The island contains specific creatures called the Beast Folk. Ape Man is one of them, and he's one of Moreau's creatures. I also like that you can sort of keep track of images in your head. I also really like how you can keep images stored. I first picked up an image of the book, just something that I thought would be cool to kind of look at and have a reminder, but then I also grabbed some pictures of some of the characters just to kind of have a bit of visualization as we're reading. The picture of Montgomery that we have here, this is kind of what I imagine Montgomery to look like. And then Dr. Moreau, this guy kind of looks like a mad scientist. But then this is kind of what I imagine Prednik to look like. And the creatures that he creates. So it's nice to be able to kind of hold those in an archive to keep as a visualization. All right, that is my final project. Thank you.